Hello students, today we will learn few sums on parametric function. Solve the following. First, if x is equal to a into 1 minus 1 upon t, y is equal to a into 1 plus 1 upon t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Given x is equal to a into 1 minus 1 upon t. Since here parametric function t is given, so we differentiate with respect to t. So considering d by dt to both the sides, here we will get dx by dt is equal to d by dt of a into 1 minus 1 upon t. Now to these two terms we will multiply by a. So we will get a minus a upon t. So derivative of a with respect to t minus derivative of a upon t with respect to t. And here this is constant, so derivative is 0 minus this a we will write outside, and we know derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. Now this minus minus will become plus, so a upon t square. This is the value of dx by dt. We call this as equation number 1. Now as y is equal to a into 1 plus 1 upon t, differentiating with respect to t, we will consider d by dt to both the sides. So dy by dt is equal to d by dt of a into 1 plus 1 upon t. Multiplying this bracket by a, we will get a plus a upon t. Now derivative of first term, that is a, plus derivative of second term, that is a by t. Here also derivative of a is 0 and derivative of a by t we will write a outside, and derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. So answer is minus a upon t square. This is the value of dy by dt. We call this as equation number 2. And since we require dy by dx, we will divide equation 2 by equation 1. So we will get dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to minus 80 square upon 80 square. So this 80 square gets cancelled. So value of dy by dx is minus 1. That is the required answer. Now second question. If x is equal to 4t upon 1 plus t square and y is equal to 3 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus 9x upon 4y. Here as x is equal to 4t upon 1 plus t square, parametric function t is present, so differentiating with respect to t, considering d by dt to both the sides, so dx by dt is equal to d by dt of 4t upon 1 plus t square. Now here we will apply u by v rule formula. Derivative of u by v is given by v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. So here 4t is the value of u and 1 plus t square is the value of v. So by using u by v rule, we will get 1 plus t square into derivative of 4t minus 4t into derivative of 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square the whole square. This first term will be as it is. Derivative of 4t is only 4 because derivative of t is 1, minus 4t as it is. Derivative of 1 plus t square is 0 plus 2t, that is 2t, upon 1 plus t square the whole square. Now we will open these brackets and these brackets also. So we will get 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into t square is 4t square. Middle sign is minus. 4t into 2t is 8t square. Now denominator as it is. This 4 as it is. 4t square minus 8t square. So we will get minus 4t square upon denominator as it is. Now here from numerator we can take 4 common. So we will get 4 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square the whole square. Now further simplification is not possible, so we will call this as equation number 1. Now we will consider the given value of y. Y is equal to 3 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So differentiating with respect to t. So considering d by dt to both the sides. So dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 3 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Here also we will write this 3 outside and applying u by v rule to these both the terms. So here the value of u is 1 minus t square and value of v is 1 plus t square. So by using u by v rule we will get 1 plus t square into derivative of 1 minus t square minus 1 minus t square into derivative of 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square the whole square. So this 3 as it is into bracket first term as it is, derivative of 1 minus t square is 0 minus 2t, that is minus 2t, middle sign is minus, this bracket will be as it is, derivative of 1 plus t square is 0 plus 2t, so here we will write 2t upon denominator as it is. Now keeping this 3 as it is, multiplying these two brackets and these two brackets we will get minus 2t into 1 is minus 2t plus t square into minus 2t is minus 2t cube. Middle sign is minus. Here also multiplication will gives us 1 into 2t is 2t minus t square into 2t is 2t cube. Now keeping denominator as it is, we will multiply these two, we will open these two brackets. So 3 which is outside that will be as it is, minus 2t minus 2t cube minus 2t plus 2t cube. This minus minus will become plus. Now minus 2t cube and plus 2t cube gets cancelled. So we will get 3 into minus 4t upon 1 plus t square the whole square. That is minus 12t upon 1 plus t square the whole square. Now further simplification is not possible, so we will call this equation as equation number 2. Now since we require the value of dy by dx, we will divide equation number 2 by equation 1. We get dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to minus 20 upon 1 plus t square the whole square upon 4 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square the whole square. Now this denominator 1 plus t square square terms gets cancelled. So we will get minus 20 upon 4 into 1 minus t square. Now if we compare with the required answer, then we require dy by dx is equal to minus 9x upon 4y. So for that we will adjust this term to get the required answer. Multiply and divide by 3 upon 1 plus t square. So dy by dx is equal to, already we have minus 12 there, so that minus 12 we will write as 4 into 3. And since we are multiplying by this 3, so here we will get 3 extra t upon 1 plus t square. In denominator already 4 is present, and since we are multiplying by 3, so we will get 3 1 minus t square and that denominator term 1 plus t square. Now this 3 into 3 will become 9 and minus 40 as it is upon this denominator upon 4 as it is and this remaining term as it is. Now if we compare with the original question, then this is nothing but the value of x and this is nothing but the value of y. So we will substitute that value here. So dy by dx is equal to minus 9x upon 4y, that is the required answer. Now third, if x is equal to t into log t and y is equal to t raised to t, then show that dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So given x is equal to t into log t, here also parametric function is t. So differentiating with respect to t, so dx by dt is equal to, here we will apply u into v rule formula. So we will get t into derivative of log t plus log t into derivative of t. So t into derivative of log t is 1 upon t plus log t into derivative of t is 1. T gets cancelled, so here we get 1 plus log t. We call this as equation 1. Now second term, y is equal to t raised to t. This is in terms of variable raised to variable. So here we will consider log to both the sides. So taking log, we will get log y is equal to log t raised to t. And we know law of exponent, that is raised to term we can write before log. So log y is equal to t into log t. So differentiating with respect to t, we will get derivative of log y is 1 upon y, but since we are differentiating with respect to t, here we will write dy by dt is equal to, applying u into v rule to t into log t term, we get t into derivative of log t plus log t into derivative of t. So t as it is, derivative of log t is 1 upon t plus log t as it is, derivative of t is 1. T gets cancelled, so this term is equal to 1 plus log t. Now since we require only dy by dt, we will shift this y to this side. So dy by dt is equal to y into 1 plus log t. Now we call this as equation 2, and since we require dy by dx, we divide equation 2 by equation 1. We get dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to y into 1 plus log t upon 1 plus log t. Now this 1 plus log t term gets cancelled, so dy by dx is equal to y. Now this term we can write as dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, and this is nothing but the required answer. Thank you students.